So we start our journey in St. Thomas and then move over to St. John and the British Virgin Islands, where we'll spend most of our week exploring new places and beaches. On Sea Dog, we have one master cabin and 2 staterooms, all with their own bathroom and walk-around queen-size beds. We have 4 major living areas, which is our flybridge, our forward cocktail lounge, our salon, and the cockpit. Some toys we have available on the boat are 2 paddleboards, kayak, 2 floating mats, snorkel gear, fishing gear, and lots more. Whenever we have the opportunity, we like to put the sails up on Sea Dog and turn off those engines. On the flybridge, we have a nice wraparound couch, which offers a lot of seating and a great place to watch the sunset.
We can't wait to have you on board Sea Dog and show you everything the Caribbean has to offer.